I'm Brad Leavitt, president of AFT Construction. If you are a contractor, are into design or architecture, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, that way those notifications come through every time we post a new video. So Erin Baker had a question for us. She said, what should you be looking for in a home if you're looking to do a renovation? So one of the keys, one of the biggest expenses when you're doing a renovation is ceiling heights. A lot of these homes you'll walk, they have low ceilings that may only be 8 feet, and they want to raise them to 10 or 12, right, to have those taller ceilings. And that is the biggest cost, because now you're talking about having to rebuild the walls, footings, trusses, take the entire roof off. Those are major costs. So if you're looking at a home that can potentially do a remodel, the biggest thing is to look for the ceiling heights and make sure they're tall enough of what you're willing to live with. Then from there, it's pretty easy. Most of these older homes, they were designed room by room, everything's separated, whereas now we're living in these great room, kitchen, big gathering areas, so you can have social functions and have, sit a lot of people down. That part's easy. It's easy to knock down walls, such as you see here, where you can readjust that in the field. So that part's not a problem. It's just the ceiling heights that are more cumbersome. So again, when you're looking for that, look for high ceiling heights. Don't worry so much about walls that are structural, because we could add beams in, do spread footings, columns to support that, to open up walls and reconfigure, and even attach onto the house if we want to add on another wing or guest suite. Very easy to do.